And let's look into the heart a little bit deeper. So your heart stores feelings of love, right? That's why we want to, when your heart has love, it feels amazing, right? Creativity, warmth, kindness, but it also holds rejection, hopelessness, helplessness, and victimhood. Right? So it has both. One of the main reasons people are so afraid to really open their heart is not because they're so afraid of success or love, despite what people say. They're afraid of being rejected, of being hurt, right? If you do not listen to the deepest wisdom held in your heart, you are likely to embark on a life of procrastination, right? You're going to put things off. That's what makes your heart numb eventually. It's like, soon, in the future, in a few years, I'm not ready yet. And sometimes we're not ready, but many times we are ready, but we're telling ourselves a story that we're not ready for something. Because how do you know you're not ready unless the experience maybe meets you and you're willing to work through it, right? So we start to self-sabotage. The longer the heart gets shut down, the less intuition we have, the less wisdom, and the more self-sabotage and closure. By numbing your heart, you will numb your soul and potentially limit access to your destiny, because your heart actually guides you towards your destiny, right? This is where my purpose, not just for my work, but for my life story, is held. And so if I just numb it, how can I hear it?